Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about the three major signs that you should look for if you are manifesting something, and if you see such type of signs, that means your manifestation is working and it is on your way. So without any delay, let's get into it. So the first thing is a bit shocking and controversial, but the first major sign that your manifestations are coming to you is the loss of something or loss of someone. It looks like sounds very scary or very fearful, but hear me out. Whenever we're trying to manifest something new and we're trying to manifest a different version of us, whether it's a relationship, whether it's a new job, whether it's money, whatever we are trying to manifest, in order to get those manifestations, sometimes we have to empty our cup. Okay, it's a saying that you cannot fill more if a cup is already full. So whenever the manifestation works is like, in order for you to get those things that you are trying to manifest, you have to empty that cup. So in order to get the job, that dream job that you might be wanting, or appraisal you might be wanting, maybe there could be something, maybe you lose a job, maybe you lose a relationship, or whatever. So it is very important to know that when you lose something or when you lose someone, there's a sign. If you're trying to manifest something, you might lose something as well, because your cup, see, you are a cup in this manifestation, okay, and whatever you are asking for cannot be received if your cup is already full. So get this from this example, that in order to get something, the universe might take something from you that doesn't belong there, and because of that, that energy that you're giving into it won't be able to fulfill, or like you won't be able to attract the things that you are wanting. So in order to get those things, you might be losing something. So this is the first and the major sign that people see while manifestation. So the second and the very interesting thing that people actually go through while manifestation, and this is a sign that people actually see, is the unwanted attention or the sudden attention from your same gender or the opposite gender. For example, like if you're manifesting a dream partner of yours, or if you're manifesting someone like your husband or a wife, so at that time, suddenly out of nowhere, the similar gender of you or people are inviting you for going to some event or going for some time or whatever. They want to spend more time with you, they want to go out with you more. It could be with the same gender, okay? So hear me out. When that happens and you might feel like we never talked this much, right? And now suddenly that person is actually talking to me and trying to, get connected and trying to get out with me, go out with me, and like have fun and all those stuff. See guys, sometimes how manifestations work is, or in order to get those manifestations, some people act as a delivery agent. Okay, that delivery agent could be your friend, could be any same or opposite gender person that invited you to some gathering or whatever. So how universe tries to give you those manifestation is through these delivery agents. You can see it as a simple delivery of a Amazon package that you ordered. So you manifested a order, okay, you manifested a dream partner of yours, and now suddenly any person is trying to ask you out for dinner, they're asking you out to go to party with them and gathering and all those things. That means that they are maybe kind of are the delivery agent, and they will help you be in that position where you might actually receive or meet that person that you were supposed to meet. So if you're like having these kind of signals and people are actually approaching you, this could be a sign that you might be receiving delivery agents in your life that will actually help you go and receive the manifestation that you're looking for. So keep this in mind. Third and the most important sign that people actually don't realize is, a lot of times manifestations require for you to go through some challenges, to go through some tasks, okay, and people really actually fail in this scenario and these signs and understanding these signs. Like when I was trying to lose my weight and I was manifesting my dream weight, I was not achieving it. I was literally, after 3 weeks or 2 weeks, the weight was very like stable. It was not getting below a certain point, and I was getting a little frustrated. But then I realized, and I was purely in faith with my manifestation that I will receive it. So I started to look for the alternatives, that why like this could be happening, and started evaluating my diet and my exercises and my walking time and sleep cycle and everything, and I started to checkpoints all of the necessary things that I should be doing other than my manifestation and other than knowing that I have to do it. So these challenges actually help you to understand and have faith and believe. So people actually don't understand this, that during these challenges, when they get these kind of challenges in their life and they were trying to manifest something, and after manifesting something and trying to manifest something, they actually go through a lot of challenges. A lot of challenges starting to come in their life all of a sudden, and they be like, I didn't ask for this, what is this happening, and all. They get frustrated, the negative energy starts to seep in, and that will actually hinder the manifestations that are coming your way. They are just the like task or the challenges for you to be prepared when that opportunity or your manifestation comes. So you need to be aligned, you need to make sure that your alignment, your energies don't go negative. You still have to stay positive and like say to yourself that wow, I'm getting challenges from my from the universe or from the God, and they're trying to actually prepare me for my manifestation. Like have this kind of mindsets when you are facing challenges. That will help you to see the challenges, whatever task the universe or the God is trying to give you to prepare you when the manifestations arrive. Okay, you need to be prepared. So when the challenges and when the tough situations come into your life, when you are asking for certain kind of manifestations, keep that in mind, to keep the attitude positive, to keep your mindset positive, to see it as a task, see it as an opportunity that the universe or the God is trying to give you for in order for you to be prepared for those manifestations to come. It's on its way. If you're receiving challenges, if you're receiving tasks, if someone is approaching you all of a sudden, all of these are signs God is trying to give you, and these will actually help you align yourself with the manifestation. So keep these 3 points in mind. Then whenever you lose something, that is the like whenever you're trying to manifest something new, guys, the whole reality is shifting, right? The energy is not destroyed, the energy is not never destroyed. So you're losing something, that means that energy now is getting transferred and getting removed from your reality, because that should not be existing there anymore for the new energies to come. So energies are just a thing that transfer from one place to another, right? So in order to get what you want, you might starting to lose the previous things that you have. You might starting to get approached by people from your same gender or opposite gender for you together and spend more time with. These and the challenges that you get, because you need to now be prepared for your manifestations. Universe might test you if you are prepared for what you asked or not, and for that time you need to be prepared. You need to literally give your mindset positive and tell to the universe that yes, I'm prepared and I will be getting this. I don't know how, but I will, and take this as a challenge and take this as an opportunity that I'm getting prepared. This is my signal that my universe is trying to give me, that I will be prepared for my manifestations to come. So keep this 3 things in mind while you're manifesting something, and look up for these signs. If this is happening with you, that means your manifestation is working and you are on the right path and you are aligned with your manifestations. That my universe is trying to give me, that I will be prepared for my manifestations to come. So keep this 3 things in mind while you're manifesting something, and look up for these signs. If this is happening with you, that means your manifestation is working and you are on the right path and you are aligned with your manifestations. So I hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.